All right, so hi students. Some of you are having difficulty uploading your assignments to Schoology, and I'm just going to walk you through now. So just follow me step by step, because I know a number of your teachers require that you post something. So rather than just making a comment, you have the ability to upload to your different assignment screens. So I'm just going to show you what to do. All right, so once you log into Schoology, you usually have on the right hand side some due dates that the teachers would want you to respond to your assignments on. So you're going to go ahead in those courses and you would click, for instance, this says PE at home 2. I'm clicking on it. Now you have a comment section here where you can post a comment, but when you post a comment, it's not necessarily allowing you to upload an assignment. So on the right hand side, you should have a tab with that assignment that says submit assignment. You're going to click on it. And once you go in, it says to upload. This icon here is for a file. So that way you can select a file that is downloaded on your machine, whether it be on your iPad or you're using a computer. And then you're going to go ahead and click on it and you're going to find the file. Miss Mckay is just going to choose a file that she has on her computer and click open, and that file will load. If you need to make a comment to let the teacher know who it's from, well, they should be able to see it, but just in case you wanted to say, hi, coach, I really enjoyed this activity. And you can put your name if you want to. Once you're finished that, you can hit submit and the file will go. So the long and short of it is that you need to ensure that you click on file, and then you're going to pull in the file from whatever device you're using, whether it be in your photo gallery or somewhere else on your iPad, or if you're using a computer, then it will be stored in a folder in the computer, and then you're going to click on it, click open, put your message in. Once it's loaded here, it will say complete, and then you hit submit. Now if you happen to be going into your courses, you can click on your courses, and you would have had PE today. So you go into PE, you're going to click on the course, and on the right hand side, you will see the assignment for that particular course. So you have two options to get in, one from your home screen and the other one through courses, where you'll be able to click on it and you click on submit assignment. All right. That way your teacher will get your response. Again, if I click submit assignment, the file icon is here. I need to click on the file icon, find wherever my file is saved, click on it, click open. Once it uploads, it will say complete. I can put a message in for my teacher, and then I can hit submit. If it's something you need to do a voice recording for, you have the microphone and you must give it access to a microphone. But I believe most teachers are asking to do either a video or picture upload. You can go ahead and do it from here. Once you have done that, you must hit submit and then it will go to your teacher. Okay? Really hope this helps in you uploading and submitting your files to your teachers.